Welcome to our channel, Kids and Story, nurturing young minds. Kids, today's story is about importance of water. So let's begin. Viraj is a fun-loving young man and gives water to the birds. One day, while giving water to the plants, his mother had to cook breakfast in the kitchen. She asked Viraj to look after the plants watering while she comes back in few minutes. Viraj was never allowed to water the plants alone as he wasted a lot of water. So he became happy and started to play with the water. When his mother returned finishing her work in the kitchen, she found Viraj open all the taps, wasting all the water, and the water tank was almost empty. She became angry on Viraj. She went in anger to call his father to arrange water, as he would need water for other household works. Viraj was still in the garden when few birds came to drink water in the pot, where they used to keep water for the birds. Viraj looked at them and became aware. They were sad as it had no water. The birds searched here and there for water. Viraj began to realize his mistake and went inside the house to arrange some water. As they didn't have any water in the house, Viraj poured some water from his bottle in the fridge and kept it for the birds to drink. The birds drank the water. They chirped happily and flew away. Viraj was happy too. He looked back and found his mother standing there. He accepted his mistake and said, "Sorry, Ma, I will not waste water again." His mother was happy and said, "Good, you realized your mistake. Water is very scarce, Pita, so we must use it properly. Otherwise, we will also become thirsty like the birds." Moral of the story is, water is rare and becoming less. If we don't use water properly today, then tomorrow we might not get it even to drink. So kids, you should not waste water and stop others from wasting it too. Save water, save nature. So kids, today we learned about saving water.
Okay, so we watched a video. In this video, it's clearly been showing importance of water. Now, importance of water, why I showed this video specifically today, because during COVID-19, everybody is saying, wash your hands again and again. Keep washing your hands, stay healthy, stay safe. But nobody says when you are washing the hands, keep the taps open. Generally, what we do, we open the tap, wet our hands, apply soap, keep on washing, rub our hands, but the tap is open. Just imagine if so many billion people in the world are washing their hands again and again, opening the tap for 20 seconds, more than 20-25 seconds each time, how much water are we wasting? There are many countries now which are without water now. They do not have water. Even in our country, Bangalore is the first city where water problem has arose. Water is not left. A very few water is left. So my dear students, rather than washing your hands while opening the taps all the time, better open the tap, wet your hand, close the tap, apply soap, rub your hands, open the tap and wash. Save as much as water you can save. Even while drinking, you take out a bottle from the fridge, pour full water, full glass, you fill your glass full and drink half of the water and rest of the water is wasted. Please pour that much water which you need to drink. सिर्फ उतना ही पानी ग्लास में डालें जितना आपने पीना है. Do not waste water, because there will come a time when you will left with no water on the earth. So from today, promise yourselves that you are not going to waste any water, not even a drop. Okay, so we'll begin with the class. I'll be playing a video And in between only, while stopping it, I'll be explaining the video. Okay.
Hello students, today we will learn about managing files and folders. Let us talk about Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed
It is an application where when you open, you get this dialog box. These are the drives: drive C, drive D, drive G, drive I, local disk H, F and D. This is nothing but आपकी हार्ड डिस्क को हमने पार्टीशन दिया होता है. We have divided your hard disk into parts. These are the parts. Here also you will get, if you have inserted pen drive, the drive will be shown here. If you have CD drive, it will be shown here. And this is the left pane, this is the right pane. लेफ्ट पेन पे आप जिस पे भी क्लिक करोगे उससे रिलेटेड चीजें यहाँ पे शो हो जाएंगी. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई क्लिक ऑन लाइब्रेरी, लाइब्रेरी में जो भी स्टोर है वो यहाँ पे खुल जाएगा. दिस इज काइंड ऑफ अ ट्री पेन.
information about files, folders and drives. It offers you to manage and organize your files and folders. You can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename and search files.
Now, Window Explorer can be used to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename and search file and folders.
Now let's find out how to open Windows Explorer.
To open a Window Explorer, click on the Start button, then go to All Programs, then Accessories and then click on Windows Explorer. Or click on Start button and select Computer option from the right pane.
The Windows Explorer window appears.
Besides these two, there are still students who are writing something. Let me check first there. What are they writing? Let me stop share. We'll come back here. Now, who's this Nami who's writing bye? Okay, ma'am. Please, girls, write in the chat box only if it is needed. So, the another way is on your desktop, we have the icon of computer. When you right click on it and the first option comes explore, you click on that, the same window will open.
Creating and opening a folder. You have already learned how to create a file in a Word document.
In the previous class, when you have done Word, even PowerPoint also has been done. Painting tum kar rahe ho second, third, first, second, third se. You know, when you draw anything and when you save it, it is a file. It gets converted into a file. So file, how to create, you know that. How to open a file, also you know that. How to close a file, how to edit a file, ये सब तुम्हें आता है. Now, how to create a folder. This is important.
Creating a folder. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop.
This is the blank area of the desktop where you have to click. Once you click on the desktop area, but right click. Okay, right click करने पे ऐसी options आएंगी. उनमें से I'll just explain you. You watch this. I'll create a folder in front of you. Okay.
A shortcut menu appears. Place the pointer on the new option. A list of sub-options appears. Click on the folder option. A new folder icon will be displayed on the desktop. Type a name for the folder at the cursor position and press the Enter key. A new folder is created.
Now, see how can we do it. Let me close this. Okay, and we'll share a screen again. Okay, this is the blank area. In this blank area, if I'll do the right click, I get an option new. At the new top of the option is folder. Once I click on the folder, a new folder is created. Let me bring it here. Okay. Now when you create a new folder, it appears with new folder and this name is highlighted in blue. If I write down here class 5 and simply click anywhere, this folder is created. Now I have this folder. If I want to save anything in this folder, I can save it here. Now how to save a file in folder? Let me explain that also. For example, I'll write something in Word. For example, I wrote Carmel Convent Jammu. Now I want to save this file in my folder. Okay, save. Here it is giving this PC document. I have to choose from here, or I can choose from here the desktop. In the desktop, I have a folder. I will double click this and click on the save option. Close this file, open your folder, and you will find Carmel Convent Jammu is there. Understood? File name I have not given, it automatically takes the first words of the file. So my file is saved here. Now again we'll see to the video. This much is clear. Please write in the chat box, this much is clear. Write faster. Yes, ma'am. Okay, fine. So we'll continue further. Okay, I understood. Girls, I understood. That's it. Okay, so we'll begin with the video again.
Hello students, today we will learn about managing files. It offers you to manage and organize, create, delete, copy the Explorer.
To click on the Start button, then click on or
Creating and opening up. Icon will be displayed.
Okay.
Let us find out how to move or copy a file or folder from one drive to another. Moving a file or folder means shifting it from its original location, source, to another location, destination. Whereas copying a file or folder means to create a duplicate copy of the selected file or folder. To view the contents of D drive, double-click on the computer icon on the desktop. Now double-click on the D drive icon. It will display all the files and folders stored in it. Select any file or folder that you want to move or copy. Click on the Organize option and select the Cut or Copy option from the drop-down menu. From the left pane, select the drive where you want to move or copy the file, say E drive. Now click on the Paste option in the Organize drop-down menu. Notice that the file gets moved or copied to the new location. Let us find out how to move or copy a file or folder between storage devices.
Now, let me stop share. Okay. Ma'am, I'm not able to see the screen. No, I was joking. I didn't dare to search. Why I can't search? Tell me. Surgeon Core, where are you? Let me see. Is Sirjan there? Sirjan, what is not there? Sirjan Kaur, what is that? Why can't you search? What is that? I think she left the class. Good for her. Okay, now, did you understood how to copy the files between two drives? Were you able to? Okay, fine. Prablin Kaur is writing, yes, ma'am. That means somebody is writing, Priya Gupta is writing, no, ma'am. Okay, fine. I'll explain the easiest way. Easiest way is we'll search, we share, okay, but not this. We'll not share this. We'll just close this. We'll close this. Quit. Okay. Now, for example, this is my computer. I'll right click. I'll write down open. It's open now. Here I have so many drives. For example, I'll open F drive. F drive may there is one file with name 1. This is the easiest way. Okay, select it, right click and copy. Go to this PC again, open another and simply paste it. See, it has come here. So the easiest way is simply open the drives, select your file, right click and then choose the copy option. Shall I do once again? Copy. I'll go to this PC again, open the drive in which I want to paste it and paste. Now it is here also, it will be there also. Now you understood, girls? Now you understood? Okay, fine. We'll share the video again just for 3 minutes and then we'll wind up the class today, okay?
Hello students. Folder that you want to move or copy. Click on the paste option in the organize drop how to move or copy a file or folder between storage devices. To move a file or folder from one device to another, save from D drive of your computer to a pen drive. Follow these steps. Attach the pen drive to your computer. Now D drive from the navigation pane on left. Select the file or folder that you want to move to the pen drive. Right-click on the file or folder and select the cut or copy option from the shortcut menu. Click on the pen drive icon from the left pane. The drive opens up. Right-click on the blank area in the right pane and select the paste option. You will observe that the selected file or folder is shifted from the D drive of your computer to the pen drive. Students, now let me tell you how to delete a file or folder. To delete a file or folder, follow the given steps. Select the file or folder that you want to delete. Click on the Organize option and select the Delete option from the drop-down menu. A message box appears on the screen asking for the confirmation to delete the file. Select Yes to confirm. You will find that the selected file or folder has been deleted. Now let's talk about restoring a file or folder. The files or folders which are deleted can be restored to their original locations. To restore a deleted file from the recycle bin,
Okay. Whatever you have uh, learned about this or seen in the video, I hope you understood this. That is, first is how to share the things between two drives. Now, storage, I'm sure because you are using pen drives at home also, you are using pen drives with mobiles also, you know how to copy data between pen drives. And now and then you are deleting songs, adding songs, you know how to add files, delete files, right? So, is it yes? Hurry up, answer me faster. I'm waiting for the answer. Okay. So if you delete a file and you want to restore that file, once you delete it from the pen drive, then you won't be able to restore it. But if you delete a file from your computer, there is one icon, recycle bin. You can open recycle bin, select the file, right click, and there is one option, restore. Once you click on the restore option, you will be able to restore your files again. Mehak, what are you doing? Playing with something, I believe. So you'll be able to restore your file. Any question anybody wants to ask, your question answers will be sent tomorrow for all the for second and third chapter again. Okay, though it was sent, but tomorrow, not today. Tomorrow I'll be sending the answers for second and third chapter once again. Those who have not done, please do it. Okay. Anybody wants to ask anything? Then I have to wind up a class because my another class is scheduled. Anyone? Okay, fine. Then we'll wind up the class. Stay safe, stay healthy. Somebody is raising the hand. Sorry. Aradhya. Aradhya, unmute your. Where is Aradhya? Aradhya is gone somewhere. Aradhya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो बच्चे क्या है? You raised your hand. Do you want to ask anything, Aradhya? No, she's not speaking. Okay, fine. Then I'll wind up a class. Stay safe, stay home, and maintain social distancing. Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Bye.